What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This your boy Ant the Man 24/7. Yeah, you see it, guys. This is a 2004 750/1000. So the reason I says /1000 because it's a 750 frame. You see it, 3,000 millimeters. That means it has a 2004 GSXR 1000 engine. So, a little history on this bike. I used to race this bike 20 years ago. And my best pass on it was a 587 at 119. 60 foot or 142 60 foot. So, granted, I was probably 150 pounds at the time. I'm a little heavy now, probably about 185, close to 190, but I mean, this bike have very low miles. Yep, 528 miles. So, but I mean, it's been an awesome bike. Brock's Performance full exhaust system. Yep, and then change colors too when it heats up. So, tie down strap. It's right here. Snitch racing. So the reason I made this video today, I have a little issue with the bike. And so down here, you see where the header right here. But right here, this area here, got hot. So I have something coming today, probably a header wrap and a maybe like a shield that comes in on the inside, a heat shield, like a double-sided, not double-sided tape, but like a heat shield, you know, that go on the inside of the fairing. But I mean, this bike's pretty awesome, man. I mean, this all motor. It have not been tuned. It's pretty much just a engine drop in, full exhaust. I mean, it does have an air shifter, but it don't work. I need to get that fixed. This bike is 64-inch wheelbase. I need to get some. I had took them off 20 years ago, but I need to get some turn signals. I did that to reduce some weight. But also at the time when I ran that 587, it had a different Shinko on it. It had a Shinko hookup. This a Shinko, let's see, stretch, yeah. It's a 200 size tire. At the time, I had a 180 Shinko hookup. So, I mean, if I race it right now, I mean, it probably goes 6.0s, to be honest with you. Maybe 590s, I don't know. But at the time, it had a different exhaust, and it had that Brock's Performance exhaust on it. So yeah, I might even change the color of the windshield, black to a clear one, because I have a darker visor on my helmet, and that's also dark too, so it'll be hard to see when I launch it out the hole. A little backstory on this bike. Still have the stock shock on there, yellow, you know, it comes factory yellow. Comment below, guys, what you think I can run with this bike in 2026. I'm 180, I'll say about 185, 188. So I used to race this bike all the time. I mean, the miles you see is not but race miles. It does have a 525 chain on there, as you can see, and a 43 sprocket. I don't know what the front is. Yeah, 43 sprocket chain on the rear and a 525. So this bike has been sitting up for a long time. My cousin, he had raced the bike and wrecked it. So this right here broke the tip of that, and then some scratches there, and then it's right here, a scratch there, and also a little bit of the foot peg. But other than that, this bike is pretty awesome. I have like a little cold, but I need this video for you guys. Little air shifter, pump it up. But at the same time, I mean, this bike is, the paint job is, it's really nice. I mean, when it wrecked, he had to change the plastic. I mean, on the cameras, guys, I mean, this is like the original color, but this right here, it's the aftermarket, not aftermarket color, but I mean, all right, I'm back, guys. Sorry, my camera storage I got full, but anyways. But now at the time I was racing, I took these out too as well. More air going to the engine, but also this bike don't have a air filter. So when I get this bike tuned, excuse me, when I get this bike tuned, I put an air filter back in it because I don't want nothing go into the engine. I really don't. So I'm gonna do a little bit of cold start. This bike have not been crunk up in a while, so I'll do a cold start for y'all guys. So it sounds pretty good. All right, guys, I'm back. Sorry about that. Phone cut off again. But so yeah, so when them parts come in, hopefully it don't get hot again and start melting the plastic down there. So yeah, gotta get that fixed because I can't race a bike and that's getting hot. I mean, I like the plastic. I like the way it looks. So also, guys, another thing I was thinking, this thing need to go on a diet. It's pretty heavy. If I had to guess how much it weighed, probably maybe 380. Yes, I mean, it's a 750 frame. Back in 2004, the 750 frame was pretty much, I mean, it was a light frame at its time. And they used stuff for 1000 motor in there, 2004. So, I mean, it can be lighter, you know. I mean, I can put the carbon fiber BSC wheels on the front. It does have a Shinko tire, but I can get a smaller one, maybe like a 90. A skinnier tire on the front, maybe ceramic wheel bearings, a rotor to leak, maybe a lightweight aluminum DEM swing arm, vortex sprockets rear and the front. Probably go back to a 190 tire on the back, maybe Dunlop Drag Max. I might just stick with Shinko. And also, this bike has not been tuned yet, so I really believe lightweight parts to get it tuned with some MR12. I think this bike can go some 560s, even 550s, guys. I really think so. But yeah, stay tuned for the next video, guys. I'm gonna do my best to make some good content for you guys, not like chickens or nothing like that. So, but stay tuned for the next video.